Lesson 3. The Northern Plains. The topics that we cover under this chapter are general introduction of Northern Plains, their importance, the three major basins of Northern Plains, and the life of the people in these basins. Let's start reading. A plain is a large flat area of fertile land. A large part of northern India is flat and fertile. This area is known as Northern Plains. The Northern Plains lie to the south of Himalayan mountain and run from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. This area is not of the same width throughout. It is broad in the west and narrow in the east. Rivers that start from the snow-clad Himalayas flow through these plains. The rivers carry water and also a lot of fine silt. In the plains, the rivers flows slowly as it carries a lot of debris, rocks and silt. It sheds this weight along the river banks. This deposit of fine clay, silt and gravel is called alluvium. It is extremely fertile and ideal for growing crops. The area that gets watered by a river and its tributaries is called its basin. A tributary is a small river that joins a large river. Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra are the important rivers that drain the northern plains and the make area fertile. A large part of India is occupied by the northern plains. These plains lie to the south of Himalaya mountain and run from Punjab in the east to Assam in the west. This area is broad in the west and narrow in the east. They are suitable for agriculture and other economic activities. The alluvium deposited by the rivers make the plains fertile. They provide a means of livelihood to the peoples and many peoples settle here. Rivers flowing from the mountains makes these plains fertile. They help in the irrigation of fields. Towns and cities easily develop along the banks of rivers and river basins. So now the question arises, what is river basin? A river basin is an area watered by a river and its tributaries. The northern plains can be divided into three basins: the Satluj basin in the west, the Ganga basin in the middle, and Brahmaputra basin in the east. The Satluj River Basin. The western part of the plains around the river Satluj is called the Satluj Basin. This basin gets water from Satluj and its main tributary is Beas. The state of Punjab and Haryana get watered by the Satluj and its tributaries. The important cities of this region are Chandigarh, Amritsar, Ludhiana, Jalandhar, Patiala and Ambala. The farmers depend on water from these rivers for irrigating their fields. Wheat is the main crop of this region. Apart from this, rice, cotton and sugarcane are also grown. The Bhakra Nangal Dam has been built across the river Satluj. It provides water for irrigation and produces hydroelectricity. The Satluj and Beas river join the Indus river in Pakistan. Satluj Basin, the western part of the plains around the river Satluj is called Satluj Basin. Satluj flows towards the southwest through Punjab and joins the Indus River in Pakistan. Its main tributary is Beas. The Satluj River basin is very fertile. Many crops are grown here. The Bhakra Nangal Dam is built across the Satluj River. This dam provides water for irrigation. Electricity is also produced at Bhakra Dam. Punjab and Haryana are the two states that get electricity from Bhakra Nangal Dam. Now let's see how much you have learned. The first question is, which plains are fertile? The answer is northern plains. Next question, which dam is built on river Satluj? Which dam is built? Bhakra Nangal Dam. Next question, which is the main tributary of Satluj? Answer is Beas. Beas is the main tributary of Satluj. Next question, what is tributary? Tributary is a small river that joins a large river. Next question, what do the rivers deposit as they enter the plains? The answer is fine silt or alluvium. Next question, name the important rivers of northern plains. They are Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Next question, which states get water from Satluj river? The answer is Punjab and Haryana. The Ganga River Basin. The Ganga Basin lies to the east of Satluj Basin. Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal lie to this basin. The Ganga River is an important river system in India. It is also regarded as holy river by the Hindus. It originates from the Gangotri glacier. The Yamuna is the main tributary of river Ganga. It is born from a glacier called Yamunotri. It joins the Ganga at Prayagraj. The places where they meet is called Sangam. Other tributaries like the Ghagra, Gomti, Gandak and the Kosi also originate in the Himalayas and join the Ganga basin. Rivers like Chambal, Betwa and Son also join the Ganga from the southern side. The Ganga enters the plain at Haridwar in Uttarakhand and flows through Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. In West Bengal, the river is divided into two branches. One of its branches, the Hooghly River, flows through the city of Kolkata. The other branch, called Padma, flows through Bangladesh and then enters the sea. On reaching West Bengal, the river slows down as it is full of sediments and silts. It is so heavy that it starts depositing sediments. These sediments from triangular island of silt at the mouth of river. This is known as delta. Eventually, many new streams are formed. These streams are known as distributaries. The delta of the Ganga and Brahmaputra together form the world's largest delta, Sundarban Delta. The Ganga basin gets a lot of rainfall. A lot of rainfall and fine silt deposits make this area rich and very fertile. A number of crops are grown here like rice, wheat, jute and sugarcane. This basin is also called the food bowl of India. Some important cities in this region are Haridwar, Agra, Delhi, Prayagraj, Patna, Varanasi and Kanpur.
The Ganga Basin. The Ganga Basin is the most important river in the northern plain. The Ganga, originating from the Gangotri glaciers in the Himalayas, is the most important holy river of India. It flows at the highest speed from mountain slopes on its way down.
Yamuna river, which is the main tributary of Ganga, also starts from Himalayas. There are number of rivers which flows from Himalayas and joins the main streams of Ganga. These includes Ghagra, Gomti, Gandak and Kosi. The Ganga joins the Yamuna at Prayagraj near Allahabad. This place is called Sangam. There is another tributary Son that joins the Ganga. The Ganga flows through the state of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. In West Bengal, Ganga flows slowly and splits into two branches, the Hooghly and Padma. The branch of Ganga in Bangladesh is known as Padma. The Hooghly is the main branch of Ganga that flows in India in Kolkata. On reaching West Bengal, river slows down its speed and start depositing sediments at the mouth of river. This is known as delta. The delta made by Ganga and Brahmaputra is the largest in the world. It is called the Sundarban. The Ganga basin gets a lot of rainfall and is very fertile. A number of crops grown here. This basin is also called Food Bowl of India. Haridwar, Agra, Delhi, Patna, Varanasi are some important cities of this basin. The Brahmaputra River Basin. The Brahmaputra Basin also lies in Assam. The river Brahmaputra originates in Tibet, where it is known as Sangpo. It enters India from the east. It flows through Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and enters Bangladesh. As mentioned earlier, the Brahmaputra and the Ganga together form the Sundarban Delta before falling into the Bay of Bengal. This basin also receives a lot of rainfall which causes floods. At the same time, overflowing rivers deposit alluvium which makes the region extremely fertile. The main crops of this region are rice and jute. Tea is grown on the slopes of hills. The tea of this region is of very high quality and is exported to other countries. The next basin is Brahmaputra Basin. The Brahmaputra river rises in Tibet and is known as Sangpo and enters India from east. It flows through a narrow valley in Assam. The Brahmaputra is the longest of the three great rivers of northern India and enters through Arunachal Pradesh. This basin also receives a lot of rainfall which causes floods. The main crops of this region are rice and jute. Tea is grown on the slopes of hills and is exported to other countries. Now tell me, where does the Ganga meet at its largest tributary, the Yamuna? The answer is at Prayagraj near Allahabad. The both rivers meet at Prayagraj near Allahabad. Next question. Which is the originating point of Ganga river? From where Ganga river originates? Ganga originates from Gangotri glaciers in Himalayas. Next question. Which basin is known as food bowl of India? The answer is Ganga basin. Next. Which is the largest delta in the world? The largest delta in the world is Sundarbans. Next question. Where does the Brahmaputra basin lie? It lies in Assam. Next question. Which river flows through the city of Kolkata? The answer is Hooghly River. Hooghly River flows through Kolkata. Next question. Before falling into the Bay of Bengal, what does the Ganga and Brahmaputra form? They form Sundarban Delta, which is the largest delta in the world. Now, let's have a look of life of the people in northern plains. Life in the Satluj basin. The Satluj river flows through the states of Punjab and Haryana. Chandigarh is the capital of both states. It is very planned city. The other cities of this region are Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Amritsar, which is famous for Golden Temple, as the basin is fertile and has abundant water supply. Most of the peoples are farmers. These farmers use scientific and modern ways of farming. Tractors, tube wells, harvesters, and use of good quality seeds give a good quality yield. Wheat, millet, rice, sugarcane, gram, oilseeds, and huge variety of vegetables are grown here. Cattle rearing is also practiced, and healthy breeds of cows and buffaloes are bred here. Dairy farming is another important profession of this region. Haryanvi, Punjabi and Hindi are spoken by the people. People of Punjab are prosperous and celebrate festivals like Lohri, Basant Panchami, Baisakhi, Guru Purab and Diwali. Folk dances like Bhangra and Gidda are performed by men and women respectively. Let's begin with Satluj basin. The Satluj river flows through the states of Punjab and Haryana. Chandigarh is the capital of both states. Most of the people are farmers, use scientific method, best ways of farming to give good production. They also rear cattle like cows and buffaloes. Dairy farming is another important profession of this. The most famous Golden Temple is situated in the city of Amritsar. Gidda and Bhangra are popular dances of this basin. Baisakhi, Holi, Diwali are the main festival celebrated here. People speak Haryanvi, Punjabi and Hindi. Life in the Ganga basin. New Delhi and the state of Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Bihar and Jharkhand fall in this basin. West Bengal is famous for rice and jute production. There are mainly jute factories here and make handicrafts like bags and carpets. Kolkata is the capital city. People speak Bangla and are fond of creative art and music. Durga Puja is the most important festival. Uttar Pradesh has its capital at Lucknow. The state is known for its weavers all over the world. The famous Banarsi sarees, Lucknowi chikankari are examples of fine weaving skills. Some important cities are Meerut, Agra, Kanpur, Prayagraj and Varanasi. The main crops grown here are sugarcane, rice, wheat, pulses and oilseeds. People speak Hindi and Urdu. They celebrate Dussehra, Diwali, Holi, Eid and Christmas. New Delhi is the capital of India. It is famous all over the world for its monuments like Qutub Minar, Red Fort and India Gate. These places are of great tourist interest. Bihar is a state of historical importance. Patna is the capital city. Rice is the main crop, but wheat, sugarcane and jute are also grown. People speak Hindi, Bhojpuri, Maithili and Urdu. Diwali, Dussehra, Chhath, Eid and Teej are the main festivals. Jharkhand was earlier a part of Bihar. Its capital is Ranchi. The Damodar river flows through Jharkhand. Now the life in the Ganga basin. The region that comes under Ganga basin are New Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Bihar and Jharkhand. The first one is Delhi. All know that New Delhi is the capital of India. All the offices of central government are in New Delhi. All major festivals are celebrated in Delhi and people from all states live here. Qutub Minar, Red Fort and Jama Masjid are some monuments in Delhi. Delhi is also called Mini India. The next state that comes under this basin is Uttar Pradesh. It is the large and thickly populated state. Its capital is Lucknow. The main crops of Uttar Pradesh are sugarcane, rice, wheat, pulses and oilseeds. People speak Urdu and Hindi. They celebrate Dussehra, Diwali, Holi and Christmas. This state is known for its sugar mills, leather and textile industries. The cities of Agra, Mathura, Varanasi and Lucknow are major tourist destinations. The next one is West Bengal. Its capital is Kolkata. People here mainly speak in Bangla. Jute and rice are the main crops of this region. Major occupation of the people is farming, fishing and manufacturing bags and carpets. Durga Puja is the most important festival. The next state that lies in the Ganga basin is Bihar. Its capital is Patna. Here people speak mainly Hindi, Urdu, Bhojpuri and Maithili. Many festivals are celebrated here, but the most important traditional festival of Bihar is Chhath Puja. Nalanda and Bodh Gaya are the most important cities of Bihar. The next one is Jharkhand. Its capital is Ranchi. Damodar river flows through Jharkhand. Jharkhand is rich in minerals such as copper, coal, iron and aluminium. One of the largest steel plant is situated in Bokaro in Jharkhand. Life in the Brahmaputra Basin. The Brahmaputra Basin mainly covers the state of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Rice, tea and jute are the main crops grown here. Assam is the largest producer of tea. Dispur is the capital city and Guwahati is the largest city. Sericulture, which is rearing of silkworms, is practiced in this state. Beautiful silk sarees are woven from Assam silk. Bihu is a harvest festival marked by dance and music. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. The state is known for its bamboo and cane handicrafts. Main crops grown here are rice, maize, millet, wheat, pulses, sugarcane and oil seeds. Some of the important festivals celebrated are Chokar, Losar, Torgia and Monpa. Now the life in the Brahmaputra Basin. This basin mainly covers the state of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. The Brahmaputra river flows through Assam, making the land fertile. Jute and rice are the major crops. Tea cultivation and silkworm rearing is also practiced here. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Guwahati is one of the most important cities of Assam. People here speak Assamese and Hindi. Famous dance of Assam is Bihu. The next state of this region is Arunachal Pradesh. Itanagar is its capital. This state is known for its bamboo and cane handicrafts. People celebrate Chokar, Losar, Torgia and Monpa. Let's see how much you have learned. The first question is, from which state Satluj river flows through? The answer is Punjab and Haryana. Next question, where is Golden Temple? Golden Temple is in Amritsar. Next, which is the most important festival of West Bengal? Festival of West Bengal? It's Durga Puja. Next question, which language do people speak in Uttar Pradesh? The answer is people speak Hindi and Urdu in Uttar Pradesh. Next question, which river flows through Jharkhand? The answer is Damodar river. Damodar river flows through Jharkhand. Next question, what is Uttar Pradesh famous for? The answer is Uttar Pradesh is famous for Banarsi sarees and Lucknowi chicken curry. Next question, which is the largest producer of tea? The answer is Assam. Largest producer of tea is Assam. This was all about lesson 3, Northern Plains. I hope all of you have understood